Hello guys, Chris Ecker here, customer service technician in Central Oregon. I'm out here in Bend today in this beautiful weather in the front yard. When the weather's getting nice, we have questions about when do I turn my sprinklers on? Well, my answer is typically around Easter. I think that's a really great time, not too worried about a super deep frost level where your lines might freeze and cause issues. So we're going to do the first step here, which is to take a look at this one valve that looks a little bit like a hose bib. You see that little metal handle there? In this case, it's pretty easy to reach down and make sure you go all the way to the left counterclockwise until it stops, and there it did. That would be giving full amount of water into your irrigation. And once you get that turned on, you should have water coming from your main water line out front into your irrigation. Next, we have a backflow here that prevents irrigation water from getting mixed in with your water in the house. You will also see two valves here that are 90 degrees. In this case, they are perpendicular, not in line or parallel. That indicates that they are turned off. So what we want to do is make sure that these are both on. So we'll turn that to the left in line. We'll turn this one to the left in line. And now we have water coming into the irrigation. Also, you'll see down here, and in the winter time, it's also important to blow out your system, and that is where the landscapers can come do that. After that, I would suggest that you either go on the outside of your garage typically, or on the inside of your garage where your Rainbird controller is, and go ahead and flip it to the auto run. If you wanted to tweak that, I would suggest that you take a look at the manual and give it a go. All right, guys, thank you.